Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video क्वेश्चन पार्ट एनसीएल का पार्ट 3 डिस्कस करते हैं. पार्ट 1 एंड 2 में 45 क्वेश्चन कवर किया है एंड 46 से यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होंगे. सो यहाँ पे देखिए एनसीएल का जो रेडियोग्राफर टेक्नीशियन का क्वेश्चन पेपर था सेट ए का क्वेश्चन है. 46 में दिया हुआ है इन आईबीपी द फर्स्ट फिल्म आफ्टर कॉन्ट्रास्ट इंजेक्शन इज. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर नेफ्रोग्राम, पाइलोग्राम, यूरेट्रोग्राम, वेनोग्राम. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नेफ्रोग्राम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47 द नंबर ऑफ सर्वाइकल वर्टिब्रा. सो यहाँ पे टोटल वर्टिब्रा जो है 33 है. इसमें सर्वाइकल जो है 7 होती है, थोरासिक 12, लंबर 5, सेक्रल 5 एंड कॉक्सिस जो है 4 होती है. सो यहाँ पे पूछा है सर्वाइकल कितना है. सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर is C, that is 7. So next question number 48. When the X-ray beam falls on the body, they are reflected, absorbed, transmitted, all of the above. So correct answer will be all of the above. 48 का correct answer D. 49. The value of CT number in Hounsfield unit is determined primarily by the matrix size, slice thickness, kV, kilovolt and tissue density. So 49 का correct answer is D, that is tissue density. Next यहाँ पे 50 question number. Anoid is rotating. Anoid X-ray tube is made up of. And 50 correct answer is B, tungsten rhenium alloy. So 51. Which is not true about intensifying skin? In that 51, correct answer is D, that is increases loading of X-ray tube. That is not true about intensifying skin. So question number 52, that is ideal temperature of dark room. So यहाँ पे 10 to 15, 22 to 27 degree, 16 to 22 degree Celsius and 28 to 32 degree Celsius. So ideal temperature of dark room. Correct answer is D, that is 28 to 32 degree Celsius. Question number 53. The most commonly used photosensitive agent is silver chloride, bromide, iodide, none of the above. In 53, correct answer is B, that is silver bromide, commonly used in photosensitive agent. Question number 54. That is the specialized radiological examination of lungs and bronchial tree using in opaque contrast is medium is called as. So that is commonly is very common question for every paramedical, even nursing also. लंग्स अगर ब्रोंकियल ट्री को विजुलाइज करना है तो ब्रोंकोग्राफी करना है. सो नेक्स्ट 55. टू डिक्रीज द मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ द हार्ट ऑफ PA व्यू of chest of the flame, focal distance is kept at 40 inches, 60, 70 inches and 36 inches. So in 55, correct answer is C, that is 70 inches. So next we will see question number 56. The radiological examination of salivary gland and duct by the mean of contrast medium is termed as. So very easy है. यहाँ पे salivary gland की बात किया तो साइलोग्राफी. So next question number 57, that is Stevenwer projection view is basically done for the base of the skull, petrous portion of the temporal bone, oblique view of the mandible and orbit. In 57, correct answer is B, that is petrous portion of the temporal bone. Next 58, which of the following Which view of the nasal bone show the bony nasal septum is the best? So, correct answer is Waters projection. That is show the bony nasal septum. Next, question number 59. The skyline view is used for talus, scapula, patella, hip joint. In 59, correct answer is C, that is patella. So next, question number 60. In that, what is the position of the elbow best demonstrated by the olecranon process? So PA view, true lateral view, axial view and orbit view. In 60, correct answer is B, that is true lateral view. Question number 61. The patient chin should be elevated during the chest radiography to first is avoid superimposition of the apex of the lungs. B is keep mind sagittal plane is parallel. C is reducing patient motion. D is reduce patient dose. In 61, correct answer is A. Avoid superimposition of the apex of the lungs. Question number 62. Is the 10 days rule for the X-ray examination of female patient is applicable to? So in that 62, correct answer is B. That is the first 10 days following the onset of menstruation. So question number 63. In India, which of the following is the most significant in development of radiation protection standard? So ये बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन आपको पता भी है. सो दैट इज़ AERB इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड है फॉर रेडिएशन प्रोटेक्शन के लिए. So question number 64. The radiation warning symbol is black on the yellow and background, that is trifoil, dual foil, quad foil and single foil. So that is trifoil. So correct answer is 64, that is trifoil. So next 65. All of the following are potential advantage of using higher kilovolt kV in radiography except increase patient exposure, reducing X-ray tubing, heating and shorter exposure time, decrease area of contrast. In 65, correct answer is A, that is increase the patient exposure. Question number 66. In adult, the spinal cord usually end at the level of which vertebra? So correct answer is L1, that is lumbar 1. Next is 67. A Newton inverse square law is useful in radiography because it indicates how the radiation intensity is affected by the radioactive decay and distance from the source, the size of the source and none of the above. In 67, correct answer is B, that is distance from the source. Question number 68. That is fixing solution used in radiography are alkaline, acidic, neutral and none of the above. 68, correct answer is B, is acidic. And 69, the one red is equal to the absorption of. In that, correct answer is B, that is 0.01 gray. So question number 70. The intensity of the X-ray beam that leaves the X-ray tube is not uniform throughout the all portion of the beam. It's called as Hill effect, thermionic emission and stray radiation and the tube rating. So in 70, correct answer is A, that is Hill effect. So दिस इज़ पार्ट 3. यहाँ पे 70 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस हो चुके हैं. सो पार्ट 4 लेके आएंगे वो सेक्शन बी का, दैट इज़ आपके जीके क्वेश्चन रहेंगे। सो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग जीके देखेंगे। सो थैंक यू सो मच, हैव ए गुड डे।